Dazzling beaches and turquoise waters paint the idyllic image of Fiji, but the weather holds secrets that can turn paradise into an unexpected adventure. Many travelers bask in the dream of endless Fijian sunshine, but the reality is a dance of two seasons. The wet season, from November to April, often surprises visitors with heavy rains and the threat of cyclones. It's crucial to check the weather forecast and plan your visit accordingly, said a seasoned Fiji traveler. Humidity in Fiji isn't just a word. It's a sticky embrace that can dampen spirits if you're unprepared. High humidity levels, particularly during the wet season, call for breathable clothing and plenty of hydration. Don't let the muggy weather catch you off guard. The South Pacific is no stranger to the wrath of tropical cyclones. Disregarding their impact is a mistake you don't want to make. Stay informed about weather updates and have a plan, advised a local resort manager, emphasizing the importance of safety protocols. Even in the dry season, Fiji's skies can open up without warning. A good quality rain jacket and an umbrella are your best allies against sudden downpours. And remember, waterproof bags are a must to protect your electronics and important documents. Lastly, never underestimate the value of travel insurance. Weather-related events can disrupt even the best-laid plans, leading to financial losses. Travel insurance is a wise investment, remarked a travel expert, highlighting the need for coverage against the unpredictable. In conclusion, Fiji's allure is undeniable, but so is the need for weather-wise preparation. By avoiding these common mistakes, you're set for an unforgettable journey. And if you seek expert guidance, Far and Away Adventures is ready to help you plan a seamless Fiji experience. Book with a French Polynesia Islands at Far and Away Adventures.